What, honey?
Before they hollered. Before the nestry on other things.
Oh.
Yeah.
Put that in your mouth, honey.
Here, I want to put it in one of them regular ones.
Put that food in your mouth. That's a good girl.
She's being good. Hungry, Miss Dorothy, huh?
I'd like to afraid I'm burning.
Can you eat some more of that?
I don't know if it'll be too hot or not.
Here, open up, babe.
See, I'm here.
Okay, open up. You open.
Well, that ain't bad.
That ain't bad, is it? It's pretty good, huh? Don't spit it out now. No, no.
You want a drink? Straighten that? You've been a real baby for a long time, haven't you? Eat it?
You eat it, honey. Mom, you eat it. Oh, you're getting it in that baby's eye. Don't poke its eye out. You eat it.
How am I going to eat it?
Eat it now. You eat it, not the baby.
There's that piece of onion.
No wonder her baby's always in the washer. Although we do have a napkin on top of it. Oh, they want to bite in her mouth. That's good. Good girl.
This is good.
Is it good? It's lasagna, isn't
I
it?
have to have one of these again.
Oh, I'm going to have some. Oh, maybe I will.
She likes puff.
Okay. Getting a lot of it down.
Jeff the vendor, you mean?
Oh.
Dorothy might be interested in more meat to bake.